Hi everyone, I'm Yanina Petrovskaya, RLP lawyers Liechtenstein. And today I have a wonderful guest, also a wonderful colleague, a lawyer from Estonia, and we are going to discuss in brief what are the main requirements and the main issues when you would like to run your crypto business in Estonia and in Liechtenstein.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm very nice to meet you all. My name is Anna Agu. I'm from Estonia. I'm a partner of Lex Law Office, the legal firm based in Estonia, and I will be happy to share my knowledge regarding the crypto regulation and possibilities in Estonia.
So the main question is actually, what is this type of license that you can get in Estonia? And what are the major changes to the requirements of this type of license that were introduced recently, as we heard? So what do projects have to expect?
So what we have for now, from the 10th of March, our regulation was changed. And at the moment in Estonia, it is possible to obtain for one license, it's crypto provider license, that gives you an opportunity to provide all kinds of services connected with virtual assets. That means that you will be able to exchange crypto to fiat to crypto, crypto to crypto, and also to provide custodian wallet services. So before the 10th of March, we had 2 licenses, but for now it will be 1 license for all services. So it will make a process more easier for the companies.
Okay, that sounds really great.
And the main changes, also I missed it, sorry.
Sure,
and the main changes, so we have the list of additional requirements now from the 10th of March. The first and main additional condition is to have a local member board for the company. That means that one of the members of the board should have the citizenship of Estonia or a permanent living or residency permit. The second condition is to have initial capital, 12,000 euros. It should be paid before obtaining. The third, bank account opened for the company in the European economy area. It will be accepted not only in Estonian banks or financial institutions. And the third is the condition to have the office in Estonia. So it is important that company will have the real office in Estonia, not just virtual office. And the fifth is to have a money laundering officer. So it will be a contact person between the authorities and company who will report regarding any compliance issues.
Well, I see it. So they introduced some, really important requirements. We also heard that in the past, crypto projects from Estonia had issues with opening bank accounts in Estonia. Do you have any working solutions for now that you offer?
Yes, for sure. Our legislation changed from the 2019, and at the moment it is possible to open bank account for Estonian companies in European Economic Area. It will be acceptable. So there is no need to open bank account in Estonian bank. So at the moment it is not issue, and we have a good relationship and partnership with banks in European Union. So we can suggest different solutions for our clients, so the banking will be not a problem for them.
Okay, I see. No, that sounds really nice and really interesting to get those updates from the person who has this hands-on experience working with crypto projects in Estonia, opening bank accounts or payment systems accounts for them. Also to mention that some of Swiss and Liechtenstein banks also do support Estonian projects. Of course, not all of them. There are for now about 15 to 20 crypto-friendly banks. like 80% of them still prefer to work with Swiss and Liechtenstein companies because they understand the regulation. There are still also banks that welcome projects from other jurisdictions, especially from other European jurisdictions, but also some of them work with companies from Singapore. And of course, I would like to add that I think that Estonia and Liechtenstein could be really complementary for a lot of projects, not only in terms of opening bank accounts, but also for a lot of projects to test their business model. They need to start with not really simple requirements, but with lower budgets. And that is what Estonia can offer. But then if they are already advanced, they have to go to some other jurisdictions, like Switzerland or Liechtenstein. And since Liechtenstein finally has adopted the Liechtenstein Blockchain Act, which has similar licenses that Estonia does, I could say that for some of the developed or advanced projects that already tested, their business model in Estonia and Liechtenstein could be a good location, I guess.
Yes, absolutely. And we are already working with the clients who has established their company in Estonia firstly, and after this move to another jurisdictions. And why it is important to find the right jurisdiction for your project, and what is the main aspect that you need to pay attention. You need to understand where will be your clients mainly. And according to this, you need to make your decisions. If your clients will be from Germany and Switzerland and Liechtenstein, then it is for sure more suitable jurisdiction for your project. If you will be oriented more to another part of Northern Europe, then Estonia can be an option. And if we're talking about the advantages of Estonia, then for sure we are talking about the possibility of obtaining for a residency. This is absolutely unique opportunity to manage your company from all over the world. So you will get the identity card, which make possible to identify you as a private person, and you will get access to all government services as Estonian citizen. So you can establish the company through the business register, you can obtain for the license, you can fill tax reports, you can sign up the documents, you can open bank accounts, so on and so forth. So it gives you a lot of opportunities, and it makes company management more simplified for the members of the board who are not local or abroad. So yes, it is absolutely unique possibility, and in many cases we heard that it was the main reason why the companies decide to come to Estonia, not only about the regulation, not only about we have IT services in high level, but also about making management more simplified and transparent.
Sure, absolutely. That also seems to be the competitive advantage of Estonia, and I'm really happy that you shared it with us. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.